In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select your subject. Again, go to Select. This time, choose Select and Mask. Enable Decontaminate Colors. Set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Now, delete the original subject layer that you no longer need. Rename the new layer as Subject. Double-click the subject layer to open its layer style menu. Under Advanced Blending, keep only the red channel enabled, disabling green and blue. Then click OK. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the subject layer. Double-click this duplicate to open its layer style. Disable the red channel, enable only the green channel, and click OK. Press Ctrl and J once again to create another duplicate. Double-click to open its layer style menu. Disable green, enable only blue, and click OK. Add a solid color layer. Keep any color for now. And drag it to the bottom of the layer stack. Double-click the color thumbnail to open Color Picker. Change the color to a dark gray as shown. Now select any of the subject layers. With the Move tool selected, use the arrow keys to slightly shift them and create the glitch separation effect as shown. Try shifting all three subject layers a little bit to create the glitch separation effect. Make sure you have something like this once you're done moving the subject layers and creating the glitch separation effect. Next, add another solid color layer and set its color to white. Make sure the new solid color layer is at the top, then convert it into a smart object. Go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. In the Sketch section, choose Halftone Pattern. Set pattern type to line and size to 11 and click OK. Rename this layer as Lines. Change the blending mode of this layer to Soft Light. Hold Alt and click the New Layer button. Name it Grain. Set the blending mode to Overlay. And enable Fill with Overlay Neutral Color. And click OK. Convert this grain layer into a smart object. Then go to Filter, Noise, and choose Add Noise. And set the amount to 40%. And click OK. Add a Curves Adjustment layer. And adjust the curve as shown. Now press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. With the merged layer selected, use the rectangular marquee tool to select random horizontal areas. Press Ctrl and J to copy each selection to a new layer. Then move it slightly using the Move tool as shown. Repeat this process multiple times to add more glitch detail. Once you're done adding the glitch detail, add another Curves Adjustment layer and adjust it as shown to boost contrast. Again, create a new grain layer by holding Alt and clicking the New Layer button. Set its blending mode to Overlay. Enable Fill with Neutral Color. Click OK. And convert it into a smart object. Apply Add Noise to the grain layer once more. This time set the amount to 400%. Finally, fine-tune the curves a bit for a better look. That's it. You've successfully created a glitch effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.